This brand is made in China, but they are backed by a pretty good warranty and can be purchased through their Amazon store. The air conditioners are available in 3 sizes from 10,000 to 15,000 BTU, and they have a 3-speed fan. They have a noise rating of 59 decibels, which is less than the level of a normal adult conversation, and they are Wi-Fi enabled for control using Alexa or Google Home voice commands. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.